Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. I wish you all a very happy new year. And now let's begin with the 6-inch design. I'll keep center dot in bronze. I'll keep some dots in violet. There is a Zen story that I like, and let me share the story. There was a young student who was keen to attain enlightenment and to do so as quickly as possible. With quickest possible enlightenment in mind, he approached his teacher and asked, "If I work hard and diligently, how long will it take for me to become enlightened?" Now I'll keep tiny dots. His teacher contemplated this question for a while and then replied, 10 years. Student said, 10 years? I'll keep some dots in bronze. What if I dedicate myself to it, work very hard, and really apply myself to learn fast? How long will it take then? With even further contemplation, the teacher now gave his considered reply, then it will take 20 years. I'm going to keep some dots here. Confused and thinking the master had misunderstood him, how could working harder double rather than shorten the time? The student now rephrased his question. Now student repeated the question again. I'll keep some more dots in violet. Teacher, if I dedicate myself solely to it, if I work very, very hard, and if I really apply myself to learn fast, how long will it take then? I'll walk the dots in violet. Obviously, this needed even more consideration, and the student waited eagerly for the teacher's answer. Eventually, the teacher gave the answer. Now, teacher said, in that case, student, it will take 30 years. 30 years? Asked the confused student. Obviously, the student was confused. Now, the student started struggling to contain his disappointment and frustration. I'll walk the dots again in violet. Now he asked the teacher, I don't understand. Each time I say I will work harder, you reply that it will take me longer. How can that be? Why do you say that? Now the teacher replied, well, when your eyes are set solely on the goal, you have nothing for the path. And when you have not set the path, and the more hard work you put in, the longer it will take to attain the goal. Similar to the story, let me share my part. I do a 10-hour live session to teach basics of dot mandala. I'll keep lumpy dots in bronze. I'll make the dots into swipes now. Much before registering for the workshop, while inquiring about the workshop, people do ask, Ma'am, when I complete this 10 hours class, will I be able to teach people? Will I be able to create big mandalas like you create? Will I be able to sell my artwork? How long will it take for me to create a 36-inch mandala? I'll keep some swipes in violet. I'll keep some dots in bronze. Now, if you can connect the story with these kind of questions, I can share a few points to think and reflect. Number one, are you a person who is only goal oriented and have forgotten totally about it is the journey that matters? I'll keep some dots in violet. I'll keep some more dots in violet. By forgetting that process matters, the journey matters, what you become during the journey matters. Are you struggling too hard? I'll walk the dots in violet. While you are struggling too hard without a path that's been planned, do you even realize that you are missing the subtle messages? If your question is, what can I do to overcome this difficulty? My answer would be, listen to those who have sought similar goals. I'll walk the dots again in violet. I'll keep some swipes in bronze. Learn from those who have achieved similar goals. Look for the different pathways by which you can reach your goals. So, moral of the message is, keep your goal in mind. Also, keep sight of the pathways and the process, flexible process to get there. I'll keep some swipes in violet. I'll keep some dots and bronze. My paint pot lid ran over the art. I'm so sorry, but I'll continue anyway. I'll make the bronze dots into swipes. If you are an artist and would like to make your art pay your bills by monetizing your art, and if you would like to become financially independent, I do coach people for that. So please drop a message over WhatsApp. My contact number is there in the description. Thank you for watching this video. 6-inch design for today is done. Thank you for watching this video.